Hello friends, let us understand our endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of glands which make hormones that controls our mood, growth and development, metabolism, organs, reproduction. It controls how your hormones are released, sends those hormones into your bloodstream so that they can travel to other body parts. A gland is an organ that makes and puts out hormones that do a specific job in your body. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers. They carry information and instructions from one set of cells to another. The endocrine system regulates how much of each hormone is released. This can depend on levels of hormones already in the blood or on levels of other substances in the blood like calcium, etc. Many things such as stress, infection, and changes in the balance of fluid and minerals also affect hormone levels, because too much hormone or too little hormone can harm the body. Now let us take a look at the parts of the endocrine system. Many glands together make up the endocrine system. So the first one is hypothalamus. This organ, located at the base of the brain, connects your endocrine system with the nervous system. Its main job is to tell your pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones. Pituitary gland. It is your endocrine system's master gland. It uses information it gets from the brain to tell other glands in our body what to do. Pineal gland, also located in our brain, makes a chemical called melatonin that helps our body to get ready to go to sleep. Then comes thyroid gland, is located in our neck, makes thyroid hormone which controls our metabolism. Then comes parathyroid gland. This is a set of 4 small glands behind our thyroid. They play a role in bone health, also control your levels of calcium and phosphorus. Thymus gland, this is located between your lungs, makes white blood cells called T lymphocytes that fight infection and are crucial as a child's immune system develops. Then comes adrenals, best known for making the fight or flight hormone adrenaline, also called epinephrine. These 2 glands are located at the top of your kidneys, also make hormones called corticosteroids. Then comes pancreas, located behind your stomach, is a part of both our digestive and endocrine systems. It makes digestive enzymes that break down the food. It also makes the hormones insulin and glucagon, which ensure you have the right amount of sugar in your bloodstream and your cells. Then comes ovaries in women, makes estrogen and progesterone. Testes in men makes testosterone. Hormones can influence behavior, and behavior can sometimes influence hormone concentrations. Hormones influence the nervous system to regulate behaviors such as aggression, parenting, etc. Though we can't control hormones, but we can do some things to influence them. For example, the food we choose to eat or drink can cause our hormone levels to go up or down. Like, for example, we should be avoiding sugar and refined carbs, having a nutritious diet, avoid overeating as well as undereating. Extra weight have a significant impact on the way hormones work. Then regular exercise has a major benefit in hormones. Getting consistent and quality sleep is also very important. Then learning to manage stress, learning techniques like breathing techniques and meditation can positively counteract hormones. I hope this video is helpful.